Are you curious about how generative AI is revolutionizing the programming world and reshaping society as we know it? Imagine building applications that leverage AI to automate tasks, solve real-world problems, and make you stand out in the tech world. Our course shows you exactly how to do that. This is the course that will guide you step by step into the exciting world of Python programming for generative AI, helping you to create real functional projects that actually matter.
Hi, I'm Andrei Dumitrescu, and I'm excited to team up with Phil to bring you this course. Whether you are an aspiring Python developer, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about how Python powers AI, this course is packed with value for you. Let's break it down. In this course, we'll learn Python from the ground up. We'll cover everything from the essentials to advanced topics like JSON handling, regular expressions, and object-oriented programming. By the end, you'll have the skills to stand out as a top Python developer. You'll discover AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot or Jupyter AI. This will help you become a future-proof programmer equipped with tools to work smarter. We'll explore modern data science libraries like Pandas. These libraries are essential for anyone working with data in Python. You'll master LLM APIs and agents by working with APIs from industry leaders like OpenAI and Google's Gemini and integrating them with powerful libraries as LangChain and LangGraph to create cutting-edge AI applications. We'll dive into hands-on projects together, building an AI research agent with LangGraph and creating retrieval augmented generation or RAG system using embeddings, vector stores like Pinecone and Chroma, and LLMs. You'll improve your prompt engineering skills by learning how to craft prompts so your AI responds exactly the way you want.
And what's great is that you don't need to be an expert to get started. We break down every step and every concept so you feel confident tackling each project. Real-world examples, practical exercises, and quizzes. We make it accessible and we make it fun. Oh, and the flexibility. You can learn at your own pace. That means lifetime access to everything. Revisit any topic whenever you want, no pressure, no deadlines. And that lifetime access to the course means you get any updates that we post to the course for free. And with new AI tools and ways to use AI with programming, there will definitely be updates. So you're gonna want a class like this one that's up to date so you know the latest information. I know that starting with Gen AI can feel like diving into the deep end, but that's why we're here, to make sure you have a solid foundation. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to create real-world AI applications that solve real problems and set you apart. The future of programming is here, and it's all about generative AI. So, are you ready to dive in and start building?
Don't wait. Enroll now and let's build something amazing together.